These kids have been wanting to go out for so long. They're always trying to get away. And now that I finally put them in a rat-safe room, nobody wants to go anywhere but hide between my legs. What a bunch of chickens. A bunch of chickens. You are. Look. Run. Oh, no, we can't have that. No, hi, Roxy. Oh, you guys are a bunch of babies. Say, yes, we are. Bandit, don't chew on Mommy's sock. Don't chew on the hospital sock. Hi, cutie. My spot. Where's my spot? Everyone else was sleeping, so I took the hyper ones. I took the hyper ones that are always trying to run away when Mommy picks them up and lets them on her lap. Ooh, Bandit! Beak! Oh, Bandit's on the ground. Newsflash. Of course, Roxy's not running everywhere. She's the hyper one. She's my hyper girl. Where's Bandit? Where's he? Oh, he's hiding behind Mommy. There he is. Oh, he's starting to venture. This camera can't video. Hi, cutie. There's my spot. Bandit's trying to dig under my butt. Alright, guys. Tough love. Tough love. Tough love. Who keeps piddling on Mommy? I don't have a decent pair of pants because of you guys. Oh. Everybody's hiding behind me. Hey, Puzzles. Aw, chickens. I thought for sure you'd want to play. They all running around all hyper. Can't even get them. They're so scared. Oh, my babies. They're always trying to run away in the other room. Let's see if we can get them out in the video. Oh. Oh, there's Roxy. She ventured to the door. She ventured to the door. Ooh. Try to get a different mode here. Oh, they're coming back to me. Why is everybody like my hospital socks? Slippers, sock slippers, things. Hi, Bandit. Hi, chicken boy. Chicken boy. There's Roxy. Stop chewing on my sock. Bandit, I do not need another bite that puts me in the hospital. Hope already did that. Spotty's the only one that's still out. He's hiding behind my back, but he's still out. Oh. You get down, Bandit. Oh no, he ran away. He chickened out. Hi, honey. Bandit's up on my chest. Look. Bandit's getting down. Alright. Let's see if these guys do anything. Oh, there's Spot. It's by my foot. See, there he is. Come on, Spotty.